I hope from the previously videos you are enjoyed to learn Scratch after install setting that in your local PC and finish this getting started with Scratch and implement that first small game. From this video, we move to chapter 2, which name as the create your own comic. And there's three parts we will try to practice all together is how to modify something in Scratch without just use the vanilla or the original characters that you can choose from library. There's three parts. First, with this video, we try to modify Sprite from the library. Secondly, is we will modify Scratch character in more different and detailed way. And the last part, we will talk about how you can tell your superhero's story. So the character itself is not important. What we will try to learn is how you can manage to do some customization, to do some change, to do some free drawings, and make that shape safe as your own character. So let's do this all together. So the book is moving to chapter 2. And if you go to our repository and come to our book folder, we already have the chapter 1's all the 4 steps code there. It's not exact code, but those are, you can treat that as the Scratch project, which you can open that in the Sprite, Scratch, and here I already created chapter 2 folder, so which we will use that for our Sprite project, for the new project. So let's open this Sprite, Scratch, and then we are moving to the first part. So the target is we will try to draw like this stage. You have some text which we will describe that as a storytelling text in the third part, and also the sentence the character is speaking. What we will going to do is we will choose our character, similar character, maybe not exactly like this one in version 2. We choose from the new library and we put a ball and we make our customization to this character. This is with a lot of drawings with the original one. So that is the one is you can see you have a stage behind and you have a character with your own drawing. So and also another purpose is we will validate is what's the delta or change from version 2 to version 3 and try to use the new features of the version 3. So let's start. So first of all is let me create save to chapter 2. So on comic. So this first is 2.1, chapter 2, and our first video. So I save like that. As usual, we don't need our cat, so delete that. So we're starting from here. So the author has our good memory of those the superheroes, so they are choosing something from those superhero, but that is just our background for our project. So we have our project's stage here. So let's starting from here. We already create a new project. If you are using online, so you can go to the website and directly open that the projects. All like me is we have the Scratch 3 offline editor. We just save as our new project. and the comic. We create that as the own comic. And let's go to here. First discuss is an ordinary looking person for the sprite. So the author choose this running girl. So we will try to see from the library. So let's go to here. So go to the library. So we come to here, choose a sprite. You can see here, upload, surprise, paint, choose. So what we will buy is we choose. And let's go to the people to see whether we have those running girl. So we don't have that. I think, oh, we still have Hannah. So that is great. So let's choose that. If I click here and to see the costume, you see we have three parts. One is just the girl is running, stand, and another is to play the basketball. But in our parties, we let this girl play the football, so that or the soccer. So no matter for that. But good is we have this base, and we will customize this base. And click the bitmap to show online bitmap graphic. So let's see what are the bitmap. So it's this one, line, brush, convert to vector. Let me make that smaller. Sprite, let's see. Use the stroke bar on the right to review all the sprites available. Click the bitmap. We already have that. Select the sprite. So we have this. Now it's not calling girl 3, it's called Hannah. Shift, click the sprite and choose the infer. Let's see if I make shift, no infers. But if I put that, I think it's the infer already showing here. You can see here is the name Hannah, XY. If I want to move that, you can see the coordinate is changed, and with the size show. So this is show or not show. So if I put here, it's not no show. So direction is this rotate style. So if I put that is yeah, I can rotate that from here. So you can see. So let's back to 9.0. Change the name of your superhero's new name. I'm not sure about the superhero's name, so I call that Catalina. So let's use this Catalina. Change. So if I change, click the different picture, the name is still same because all these three are the different gestures for the same sprite. Click the back. Close. So now in version 3, we have a better, easier way to change the information. We don't need to open this in our dialog. So it's directly here. So we already done this. Before starting the design your hero's new costume, it might be a good idea to pick our backdrop. So we do our cool backdrop. You wouldn't want your hero blending into our setting. So the backdrop for your superhero should be our urban setting. So we find our cities. Click the backdrop from library here, choose backdrop. Can we under the category? Let's see, outdoor. We have outdoor, and then select a scene you like. Is the favorite is a night city. So do we have a night city again? Yeah, we still have that. So that's perfect. And then sometime I browse through a backdrop library to see which image settings sparkle my imagination. So we have this one. So now I put our sprite on the street. So like the author's picture here. So that's great. And then those are the, let's back to our mind map. So you can see, so what we have done here, choose a cool backdrop. So we already done here. So I think that's the first part of this video is already done. If you have your Scratch 3, please finish these 3 parts. Delete cats with the new project. Choose our costume, change name to Catalina, and choose our night city as the backdrops stage. And then we done for this video. From next video, we will do the modification for the character. Let's preview for what we will do. So we will paint some mask, erase certain parts, draw the straight line, fill areas, add costume outlines, and draw certain the areas. So let's prepare for the exciting change and the free drawings in the next video. See you then. Bye.